have the Waterpik out, even the directions. Excited to install. Doesn't look so hard now, does it? Easy peasy. Ta-da! Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. Woohoo! Luxurious. Thank you, kind sir, for installing. So I'm feeling just a little, I don't know, gross after a car ride home after such a great weekend at Bloggy Boot Camp, and I'm really excited to try the new Waterpik shower head, the medallion shower head that they gave us. It's going to be so awesome. So hopefully I'll look a lot cleaner next time you see me. Well, excuse the undried hair, but at least now I'm clean. And I used my Waterpik for the very first time, and it was awesome. Lots of different sprays to try out, like a soft wash my face spray, a massaging neck spray, no nonsense, get the soap off spray, and showery sprays. Oh, it was really good. So I'm very excited, very happy about the new shower head, and that's about it. Thanks.